Welcome to this video on the best foods you can eat for a healthy, sustainable weight loss journey. If you're a young woman looking to shed a few pounds or improve your overall health, this guide is for you. Forget the crash diets and extreme restrictions. They rarely work long-term. Instead, we're diving into foods that fuel your body, keep you satisfied, and make you stronger. Let's get started. Weight loss isn't just about eating less, it's about eating smart. Your body needs a balance of 3 key nutrients: protein, carbohydrates, and fat. When you include the right amounts of each in your meals, you'll feel more energized, avoid constant hunger, and keep your metabolism working efficiently. This isn't about cutting out food groups or surviving on salads alone. It's about nourishing yourself with wholesome, delicious options that fit your lifestyle. Upgrading what's on your plate can feel empowering and enjoyable once you understand how these foods help you. Proteins are crucial when it comes to a healthy diet for weight loss. Why? They help you stay full for longer, prevent muscle loss, and even boost your metabolism slightly. Some excellent sources of lean proteins include animal-based options. Chicken breast, turkey, eggs, and Greek yogurt are all protein-packed and low in fat, making them perfect for your meals. Plant-based options. Chickpeas, lentils, black beans, and tofu are fantastic alternatives if you're following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Start your day with scrambled eggs or Greek yogurt topped with nuts and fruit. Add grilled chicken or tofu to salads for a protein boost. Snack on boiled eggs or roasted chickpeas when you're on the go. Fiber is your secret weapon for healthy, sustainable weight loss. It promotes digestion, prevents bloating, and keeps your blood sugar levels stable, which helps curb cravings. Here are fiber-rich foods to focus on. Vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are incredibly low in calories yet packed with fiber. Fruits. Berries, like strawberries and blueberries, apples and pears are great for snacking or as toppings for yogurt. Whole grains. Oats, quinoa, and brown rice are not only filling, but also nutritious. Blend spinach or kale into a morning smoothie. Opt for whole grain bread, pasta, or rice instead of white versions. Sprinkle chia or flax seeds onto your oatmeal or yogurt. Fiber fills you up without adding extra calories, so it's a win-win ingredient to include in your meals. There's a big misconception that eating fat makes you gain fat, but healthy fats are incredibly important for your body, especially when you're working on weight loss. They keep you energized, improve your skin, and help your body absorb certain vitamins. Some of the best healthy fat choices include avocados. These are rich in monounsaturated fats that can lower bad cholesterol levels. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are small but mighty sources of healthy fats and fiber. Olive oil. Use this heart-healthy oil for cooking or in salad dressings. Add a slice of avocado to your morning toast or have it as a snack. Use olive oil to drizzle over roasted vegetables or as a base for dressings. Pack a few nuts or seeds as a portable snack. Healthy fats can make your meals more filling and satisfying, helping you stay on track without feeling deprived. When you're trying to lose weight, choosing foods that are low in calories but rich in nutrients is a smart strategy. These foods allow you to eat bigger portions without going overboard on calories, keeping hunger in check. Examples of low-calorie, nutrient-dense foods include zucchini noodles, a great replacement for pasta that cuts down carb intake without sacrificing taste. Cauliflower rice, perfect as a low-carb swap for regular rice. Spaghetti squash, a versatile vegetable that's easy to use as a base for many recipes. Replace regular spaghetti with zucchini noodles or spaghetti squash in your favorite pasta dish. Make a fried, rice-inspired dish with cauliflower rice instead of white rice. Use lettuce wraps instead of tortillas for sandwiches or tacos. These swaps are easy to implement and add variety to your weekly meals while keeping calories under control. It's important to remember that hydration plays a huge role in losing weight and staying healthy. Dehydration is often mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Here's how to stay hydrated smartly. Water, always your best bet. To make it interesting, try adding lemon slices, cucumber, or berries for natural flavor. Herbal teas. These are calorie-free and can help curb sugar cravings. Avoid sugary sodas, energy drinks, and high-calorie coffee beverages. They can derail your progress. Carry a water bottle with you throughout the day as a reminder to sip frequently. Creating balanced plates for your meals is a foolproof way to ensure you're getting essential nutrients without overeating. The key elements of a balanced plate are lean protein, fiber-rich veggies, and a small portion of healthy fats. For breakfast, Greek yogurt with berries, a spoonful of almond butter, and a sprinkle of flax seeds. Lunch, a salad bowl with grilled chicken, avocado, mixed greens, and olive oil dressing. Dinner, grilled salmon with roasted vegetables and quinoa on the side. Balancing macronutrients this way keeps your energy steady throughout the day and reduces the temptation to snack unnecessarily. We all know that busy schedules make it hard to eat right. That's why meal preparation can become your best secret weapon. Meal prep helps reduce the chances of turning to unhealthy options when you're short on time. Batch cook grains, proteins, and vegetables to use in multiple meals throughout the week. Prepare snacks like boiled eggs, roasted chickpeas, or cut up fruits ahead of time. Invest in good quality food storage containers to keep everything fresh and organized. For example, roast a tray of vegetables on Sunday and use them in salads, wraps, or bowls throughout the week. The key to eating right often starts at the grocery store. By making smart shopping choices, you'll find it easier to stay aligned with your weight loss goals. Shop the produce aisle first and stock up on seasonal fruits and vegetables. Look for sales on whole grains like quinoa and brown rice. Consider frozen fruits and veggies. They're just as nutritious and often more affordable than fresh. Planning ahead ensures you have plenty of good options at home, which can help you resist last-minute cravings for fast food or processed snacks. While it's important to focus on all the great foods you can eat, it's equally important to avoid certain habits that can disrupt your progress. Overeating healthy foods. Even nutritious foods like nuts or avocados can lead to weight gain if eaten in large quantities. Cutting calories too much. Extreme calorie restriction slows your metabolism and leads to binge eating later. Stress eating. Be mindful of emotional eating and try to find healthier ways to cope with stress, such as exercising or journaling. Remember, weight loss isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. Allow yourself to indulge occasionally without guilt and get back on track at your next meal. When it comes to weight loss, the goal is to create a long-term, enjoyable lifestyle, not a temporary fix. Adding these foods to your diet will not only help you lose weight, but also improve your overall health and well-being. You don't need to overhaul everything in a day. Take small, manageable steps and give yourself time to adapt. The most important thing is to stay kind to yourself as you navigate this journey. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness content. More videos can be found now by clicking the boxes that have appeared on screen. Please leave any comments you may have and topics you would like us to cover in our up-and-coming videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.